another video today. And on this episode, we're going to be going ahead and unboxing one more tech item today that we purchased at Micro Center. Today, we're going to be doing the Propel PL-1512 drone. And it also comes with a straight up HD camera in it. A freaking HD camera in it. If you guys stay tuned, wait to the end of this video and I'll tell you exactly how much I paid for this bad boy. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. The box, it is opened already because when I purchased it, I forgot. I was holding it like this and pop. There you go. So let's go ahead and finish opening the rest of this bad boy up. I'm not for sure which way we should do it. So let's go ahead and try to see if we can flip it upside down. Alright, cool. So it looks like so far we received some type of little packages or whatever. You know, of course, we got our directions. Definitely going to be reading these. I need to know how we can actually set this drawing up. You know, fly this bad boy. Then it looks like right here, we have another screwdriver. As you can tell. We also have the USB. I believe this USB right here may be used to, you know, get the video footage off the drone. And then we have some more stuff, maybe like a little docking station perhaps, and possibly a charger. And then, of course, Propel gave us some more wings just in case these go bad. So, I think what I'm gonna destroy the box because it ain't coming out. And I want this bad boy to come out. So. We are halfway unboxed. Quick thing I do want to show you guys that I'm really, the reason why I purchased this item right here. So like I said, you guys won't even be able to see it, honestly, but I will put some more things about it in the description. So this bad boy from Micro Center, it's almost like the other one. It does have unlimited replacement parts for 1 year, and it streams the video that it's going to be recording to our mobile devices. That it has nice altitude hold, 6-axis gyro chip, 2.4 precision digital remote control, and it's only for outdoor usage. The other one was for indoor/outdoor. This bad boy has an onboard and HD camera, onboard HD videos, and guess what? What sold me was this bad boy can go to 500 feet in the air. 500 feet. Like I said, I hope y'all still staying tuned with me because when y'all figure out how much I spent for this right here, I'm pretty sure y'all should go to the store and go buy y'all some of these too. Christmas coming up, why do you not just treat yourself? Your birthday coming up, treat yourself. Man, you try these bad boys. This is the one we just purchased from Micro Center as well for a higher price. And this is the one, this controller right here, $15 for this one. You know, unknown price for this because you guys got to stay tuned and watch the rest of this video to figure out how much was this bad boy drone. Let's put that down. All right, let's go ahead and kitchen knife this off. This is so dangerous, you guys. Don't try this at home. Get some scissors. I have some, but I don't know where they are. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go find the scissors. I don't want to scratch the paint. We'll be right back. All right, we back. Guess what? We you didn't hear that. You didn't see that. All right, so here we go. The bad boy drone. I love this drone already. It does feel very plastic. That is the only downfall, I guess, just for right now. But I mean, hey, for the price I paid for it, I'm pretty sure this thing is going to be magnificent. I do want to see where the camera is located at, but HD camera. You know what? I bet you the camera's in here. Let's go ahead and open this bag up right here. Set this bad boy up. Actually, I lied. I found the camera. I believe that is the camera right there. That right there is our camera. But we're still going to go ahead and put some things up with it, hook it up, see what's going on with it. We'll be back with it. So we went ahead and got the drone all hooked up and everything. I did turn it on, and don't use this inside the house because my finger hurts. I didn't know what I was doing. This bad boy right here, I hooked this thing up, put these things down. It's ready to take off, baby, man. My fingers hurt. These things ain't no joke. Man, it may feel like plastic, but it don't. Woo. My finger feel like I got hit by some metal. Be careful, you guys, playing with this for sure. But this right here is the Propel PL-1512. And I did pay just $30 for this bad boy right here. This for it to come with an HD camera and everything. And then on top of that, I mean, the only downside I do think is that the battery pack in here takes too many batteries. I mean, we got like 6 batteries in here. But I mean, it is a big drone, 30 bucks, who cares, just whatever. I know also that this drone does come with its own battery. This right here is a battery charger for it. The battery is like right in this socket right here. Just place it up in. Let me go ahead and pull it out for you guys. It says pull up. And the battery should just come up, just like that. So this right here is the battery for this drone right here, the PL-1512 by Propel. $30, you guys. Got this bad boy right here at Micro Center. I'm going to try to find the link in the description. I mean, I'm going to try to put the link in the description, but I think these are kind of sold out. When I did go to Micro Center, they did have these on the floor right now. I mean, there wasn't tons of them, but I'm in St. Louis, so I mean, there was a few of them. Overall, I think this is a good product. Like I said for the last video, we're going to be going and testing out both of the drones. And on top of that, I'm going to give you guys the footage from this drone. I'm going to upload that on YouTube to show you guys how good the camera is. Might do a little bit of extra, you know, who knows. Just stay tuned, you guys. Make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. Please, that's all I'm asking you guys to do right now is to just subscribe. Man, we're trying to get famous on here, you know? We're going to be doing some more tech and everything. We need some sponsors. You know, Propel, if you see this video, Propel, hit a man up. We coming with you. All right, y'all be easy. Y'all stay safe. Merry Christmas. I'm out.